How to make Keto Cheeseburger Lettuce Wraps. The ingredients: 6-ounce bacon, chopped. 4-ounce cremini mushrooms, sliced. 16-ounce ground beef. Salt and pepper to taste. 4-ounce shredded cheddar cheese. 8-ounce iceberg lettuce leaves. 4-ounce cherry tomatoes. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Wash and dry your lettuce leaves. 2. Cook the bacon in a frying pan over medium to high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooked thoroughly, remove the bacon from the pan. 3. Cook the mushrooms in the bacon fat for 6 to 7 minutes. Once the mushrooms are nice and brown, remove them from the pan. 4. Brown the meat in the frying pan for about 7 to 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. 5. Lay out your lettuce leaves and add the meat, mushrooms, bacon, tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. 6. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Cheeseburger Lettuce Wraps. Each serving comes out to be 651 calories, 52.1 grams fat, 3.7 grams net carbs, and 38.8 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.